Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to edit a drop-down menu in Webflow. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser, go to the Webflow website, and log into your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, select the specific website you want to work on and open it in the Webflow Designer. Next, locate the drop-down element in your design and click on it to select it. On the right sidebar, go to the Settings tab and expand the drop-down section. To access the menu contents, click the Show option beside the word Menu. This makes all links inside the drop-down visible. Now, you can double-click any link to edit the text or add new links as needed. To rearrange items, use the Navigator panel and drag elements into your preferred order. If you want to change the appearance, switch to the Style panel to adjust background colors, padding, or fonts. Finally, once everything looks good, click Publish to make your changes live. So that's basically how you can edit a drop-down menu in Webflow. That's it for this video. Thanks.